Can you please tell my friend is sleeping and we have a test we have to study? L to your friend. But that's okay. If you sleep, that means you perform better. But wait, how am I supposed to even... Wait, how am I even supposed to tell your friend? Your friend's asleep. What can I do? Like... I'm just sitting here. I'm a VTuber. I have no power to wake up someone. You know? Scream? Ha! Did they wake up? Did they wake up? You woke me up? Oh, sorry. Sorry to everyone who watches my streams to sleep. Sorry. That was... Yeah, wait, there's people who watch my stream to sleep, right? Oops. Sorry. Woke? Oh, sorry. I'm sorry to all the... My cat... Oh, no! I was just about to say sorry to all the cats who watch my stream. I'm sorry. I apologize. My dog woke me up, bro. Oh, let's go. Good morning, doggies. Oh shoot. There was a person who was about to fall asleep during work, but they heard me and they woke up. Good luck at work.